Hi you guys. Today has been really stressful. My school is on lockdown, and if you do not know what that means, nobody can go out and nobody can come in. And I have to be at work at 2. And it's currently 12:20. So they need to get a wrap on this. Like a real wrap on this. But today I will be coming to you guys with a mukbang or a mukbang or whatever you want to call it. And it's going to be really ghetto because I have bionic sausages because a girl has nothing to eat in here because I eat out all the time. But they closed everything down. So, you know, what am I supposed to do? So, let's talk and eat. Gotta get my sriracha. You know, you already know. If you don't eat sriracha on everything, you're not real, okay? Okay. Let me stop. It's not even a mukbang. I think it's more of a vlog. For real. Alright, can I get it open? Okay. Ooh, and they hot and spicy. I love Vienna sausages, you guys. I love Vienna sausages. Just look at that. Ooh. Today we're gonna be doing a ASMR. I can't be the only person that get happy when we eat food. Like, food is so good, you guys. Food is so good. But I'm kind of running out of video ideas, and I need you guys to help me figure out, you know, what kind of video I should do next, because I really don't know. I'm just saying random stuff. Oh, and if you did not know, we're on lockdown because somebody made a bomb threat. Like, but I got me out of class, so I ain't really stressing at all. If you don't have none of this, you gotta get you some. Period. But yeah, I need some more video ideas because when we got on lockdown today, I was like, really? But then I was like, ooh, I can upload a video and not be pressed for time, because I'm usually pressed for time with work. Come here, go to sleep, eat, then go to sleep, get up about 2 in the afternoon. It's so bad. It's so bad, you guys. I really don't have anything to talk about at all. But let's see. Who else cannot go to sleep at night? I sleep during the day, and then I go to sleep at like 3 or 4 in the morning because I just cannot sleep. Like, is that just me, or I think it's just me. I think I need to be diagnosed. Like, I don't know why I cannot sleep at night. I think it's because, like, I run all my errands at night. Like, if I want to go to Walmart at 12 o'clock, I'm going. And then during the day, I just sleep because I hate the daytime. I just don't like the sun. That sounds really bad. But I think I just like how nighttime is, like, aesthetic. Like, it's a vibe. Like, you get you some music and you could be vibing. Like, yes, I mess with that. Let me not be cussing. I'm trying not to cuss no more on my channel as much because there's kids on here, and you know. But yeah, if you cannot sleep at night, comment down below because it's so bad. Let me get some sriracha. I really eat like an old man, you guys. Like an old poor man. Because I love Vienna sausages. I love noodles. Like Japanese noodles. I just bought me some of those. And I be having money in my account. But I I just like eating poor. Like, the struggle is real. I really hope they're done with this lockdown right now. For real. Y'all see me with this sriracha. Like, I put it on everything. My cookout food, on my noodles, my cereal. You feel me? I don't even eat cereal, but oh my god, I need another wig. What hair should I do next? Like, should I get a bob or should I get curly hair? What y'all think? Because I naturally have curly hair. It's probably like right here now. But I'm tired of doing it. Like, natural hair is work. It's so much work. And my hair, like, it be coming out. Well, shedding, that's normal, but don't come for me. Shedding is normal. And it just be coming out, and I don't like that. I don't like my hair to fall out or shed out or whatever. So I said, I'm gonna get me a wig, and I got me a wig. And so I need another wig so I don't look like the same person every day. Yeah, it's so bad. It's so good. I really don't have anything to talk about. Because whatever. It's whatever. Y'all like my lippy? Thanks. That brown pencil and that gloss just goes perfectly together. I promise. Ooh. Y'all know how y'all get to the bottom and you'll be thinking you got nothing left, and then you look and you have something left? Like, I'll be like, yes. But this one is like in there. But y'all should definitely watch the rest of my videos and comment if you haven't already, because that would be life for me. I've been trying to start a YouTube since 5th grade probably, but I'm always too shy, and I think like somebody's gonna find it and roast me. But now I'm just like, roast me, like I don't care, like I'm doing what I want to do. You feel me? Oh, that's what I don't really care no more. Like, I'm starting not to care about a lot of stuff so bad. So I just be doing my own thing. Like, I wish I would have started it when I was planning on in 5th grade. And I actually uploaded a couple of videos last year around this time, but I got scared not to come off. So yeah, if you're watching this, just follow your dreams. It doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. You feel me? Don't worry about them haters in the corner. And that's real. And that's real. And now I have, what is this? Barbecue flavor. That was hot and spicy. But I like spicy stuff, so it really wasn't that spicy to me. But barbecue is where it's at, okay? Should I be greedy and eat it or no? What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? I don't even know. I'm about to end this video because I ate all my Vienna sausages in like 8 minutes. So bad. If I wasn't on camera, I probably would have ate that shit in like 2 seconds, honestly. But you know, when you get on camera, you gotta be like, you know, I gotta stop. Oh, bro, bro, hold up, I'll be right back. If you like pickles and you haven't tasted these, you're not living right at all. At all. Oh. Ooh. Should I put sriracha on them? What y'all think? Oh my god, this looks so good. They have like a garlic taste to them. Dill pickles ain't got nothing on these, you guys. Hope I don't get fired for not coming to work. But we're on lockdown. Like, what do you want me to do? So good. Comment down below if you like pickle juice. Like, y'all. My breath is gonna be wanging. Oh my god, it's so good. Ooh, it's sour. Y'all, my stomach gonna go through it tonight. I promise. Let me get some drink right quick. My breath stinks so bad. It's so bad. Ugh. So yeah, you guys should comment what you guys want me to do next. What type of video should I do next? And I shall see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Spirit fingers.